Hi, everyone, and welcome to this lesson. Actually, I'm more of a technological designer than a programmer, and Plant3D really saves time when designing power plants. But from time to time, we struggle because some features are missing. And when that happens, we end up doing repetitive tasks manually, wasting time on work that could be automated. That's why I decided to start coding simple C# plugins to make a designer's life easier. And in this series, I'm going to share my experience with you. Today, we're diving into building an AutoCAD plugin that simplifies managing weld properties in Plant3D. You may have noticed that the standard Plant3D setup doesn't provide easy access to important weld properties like outer diameter, wall thickness, material of connected parts in welds. To fix this, we'll create a plugin that goes through all the welds in the drawing, collects these missing properties, stores them as custom properties of the welds. But that's not all. We will also automate weld numbering, so welds with the same properties get the same weld number. With this automation, we can easily show weld properties in isometric drawings, generate weld reports without extra manual work. Even if you're not an experienced programmer, don't worry. I'm not a big specialist either, but C# is easy to understand. If I manage to learn it, you will too. I'll explain everything step by step in a simple and clear way, so you can follow along without problems.